The fellowship of Christians with their God is the birthplace of God's purpose. For every one of us seated here this morning, God has a purpose for your life. But guess where that purpose will be bettered? It's in the place of fellowship. It's in the place of fellowship. And when we talk about fellowship, for example, I mentioned Jacob in the first service. Jacob all his life wanted to be blessed. He dealt with Esau in all manner. He did all kind of 419. He went to Laban. Laban taught him a better 419. He went all through that mess, wanted to be blessed. But one day he was privileged to have an encounter with God. He called the place Bethel. He said this was a church and I did not know. That's what he said, this is the house of God and I did not know. After that fellowship that night, his name was changed from 419 to God's nation. Because of the place of fellowship. There's something, fellowship with the brethren, fellowship with God. Those ideas that that unbelievers are carrying, they were made for the believers. But Christians are too fearful. We also don't understand our identity. Christians are the least or the last people to allow change to work. When anything changes, they say, hey, mark of the beast, mark of the beast. It's not mark of nothing. Hallelujah. We will gather and be debating rapture. Nobody can be creative without the creator. And we are the one with the DNA of creativity. Because God is our Father. But we have left everything. We are too afraid of sin that we are allowing sin to now rule the world.